How to use coconut oil to lose weight. One of the biggest health issues that face the world today is obesity. Therefore, in order to mitigate the negative effects of obesity, the only solution available is to get rid of the extra weight. If you are looking for a natural and easy way to lose weight, and melt the stubborn belly fat, you have come to the right place. There are several ways to lose weight. However, the easiest and the most natural way is to eat fat-burning foods. Several studies have proven that coconut oil is extremely effective for weight loss, particularly the abdominal fat, which is the most stubborn fat in our body. More scientific studies and research have now shown that coconut oil not only burns stubborn abdominal fat, but it also improves metabolic markers and helps you to lose weight. In this video you will be introduced to 3 recent studies about the relationship between coconut oil and weight loss. The first study is from the Journal of Nutrition, where the studies of medium-chain fatty acids (MCFAs) are investigated by researchers. Those MCFAs in coconut oil can boost your metabolism and increase your energy. They also decrease in food consumption because they make you feel full longer, therefore help reduce your body fat. The authors of the study highly recommend using oils that contain MCFAs, such as coconut oil, as a tool to drop extra abdominal fat, manage a healthy weight, and even as a way to treat obesity. The second study in ISR and pharmacology discovered that high concentration of MCFAs are found in virgin coconut oil (VCO), which in the study had shown beneficial effect in reduction of waist circumference. The third study is also the most fascinating study, which was published in the Journal of Lipids in 2009. This clinical trial involved 40 women aged between 20 and 40 years old. These women were divided into 2 groups S and C. Group S consumed 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, of soybean oil daily, and Group C consumed 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, of coconut oil daily as well. This trial happened over a 12-week period, and during this time all of these women were to follow a balanced hypocaloric diet and to walk for 50 minutes per day. Results showed that the group that consumed the coconut oil had a decrease in abdominal fat, while the soybean oil group actually showed increases in belly fat. Furthermore, they concluded that dietetic supplementation with coconut oil does not cause dyslipidemia and seems to promote a reduction in abdominal obesity. In summary, here are 3 scientific reasons why coconut oil is super awesome for weight loss. Number 1, coconut oil keeps you full longer. Number 2, coconut oil fires up your metabolism. Number 3, coconut oil is a fat that's less likely to be stored as fat. Want to learn more about how to use coconut oil to destroy stubborn belly fat fast? So click the link below in the description to download our free guide, Coconut Oil for Weight Loss. I wish you good luck.